In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use TradingView Correlation Matrix. We'll start right on the chart. Open a chart in TradingView so you have a workspace in front of you. Any symbol and time frame will work, because the correlation view pulls context from your active chart and the current session. Think of this as your home base. Once it's open, everything else you add will sit on top of or alongside this chart. Next, look to the top of the platform and click the Indicators button. This opens TradingView's indicator library, which contains built-in tools as well as a large collection of community scripts. Indicators don't change your data. They help you analyze it. Since we want a correlation matrix, we're going to search the library to find a heat map that visualizes relationships across symbols. In the search bar inside the indicator library, type correlation heat map. You'll see a list of scripts with similar names. These are community-built tools designed to display how closely different markets move together. Higher positive correlation means two assets tend to move in the same direction. Higher negative correlation means they often move in opposite directions. And values near zero mean their movements are largely independent. You can review titles and brief descriptions to understand each author's approach. Choose one that looks reputable and well documented. Selecting a script here simply tells TradingView which visualization style you want to use. With your preferred correlation heat map highlighted, click Add to Chart. The heat map will appear on your screen, typically as a panel. What you'll see is a grid where each cell represents the relationship between two instruments. Most versions use a color scale. Strong positive correlations often appear as deeper greens or blues. Strong negative correlations often show up as reds, and neutral relationships cluster around lighter or mid-tone colors. Many scripts include a legend or scale, so you can quickly interpret values near +1, 0, or 1. Take a moment to read the layout. Even without changing any settings, you can glean immediate insights. Highly correlated pairs may suggest limited diversification if you hold them together. Strongly negative pairs can act as natural hedges, and neutral pairs can help spread risk across unconnected drivers. Keep in mind that correlation is sensitive to time frame and can shift over market cycles. It's best used as context and confirmation rather than a standalone trading signal. That's all there is to it. Open a chart, click Indicators, search for correlation heat map, choose one you like, and click Add to Chart. From here, you can observe relationships clearly and make more informed decisions about diversification, hedging, and strategy alignment.